వచ్చిందా? Okay children. Right. Okay children, today we are going to learn multiplication. Multiplication with the help of geoboard. Do you know what is this? Geoboard. Yes, it is geoboard. So with the help of geoboard we can learn many things in mathematics. So మనం చాలా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు mathematics లో చాలా కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ని. సో ఈ రోజు మాత్రం మనము today we are going to learn about multiplication. So do you know multiplication? What is multiplication? Say. Yes, you are right. Repeated addition is multiplication. So repeated addition is multiplication. అంటే దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాం? ఆవర్తన సంకలనం. అంటే మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ కూడమే multiplication. So చూద్దాం. So let us fill the grid. So ఈ బాక్సెస్ ని మనము నింపుదాం. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? 2 times 4. చూడండి 2 times 4 అంటే దీన్ని మనం ఏం రాయొచ్చు తెలుసా? 2 times 4 అంటే 2 times 4 అంటే 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 how much? 9. కదా? చూడండి ఇక్కడ 2 times 4. 4 ని మనం 2 times చేస్తున్నాం. అడిషన్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా 8 వచ్చింది కదా? ఓకే, దీన్ని మనము we will do on the geoboard. సరే కార్తీక్, geoboard పైన మనము చూద్దాం. ఒకసారి చూడండి ఇక్కడ 2 times 4. 2 times 4 అంటే 2 4s. 2 4 ఫస్ట్ 1 4 చూడండి. దగ్గరికి రండి ఇంకా. 1 2 3 4 కదా? 4. ఇంకొక 2 times కదా? ఇది 1 time. 2 time అంటే చూడండి ఇదో 1 time 2 time. 2 times 4 how much? Count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, we get also same answer. So now we write on the board in the box 2 4s 9. So in the same way 3 times 4. చూడండి 3 times 4. So 3 times. 1 time 2 time already done చేసినాం. 3 times అంటే ఇంకొక 4 కదా? సో యాడ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ 8 కదా? 8 9 10 11 12. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Okay, next. Let us do 5 times 4. 5 times 4. 5 times. So already 3 times done. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times 4 done. Next 4 times 4. 4 times. Next 5 times. 5 times. 5 times 4. 1 time 4, 2 times 4, 3 times 4, 4 times 4, 5 times 4. So 5 times 4. 5 times 4. Okay, let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Have you got this? Okay, so this way we can complete the box. Okay, now it's time for you. So ఇప్పుడు మీరు చేయాలి. Who will do 2 times 6? Who will do? Akshara, can you do 2 times 6? Pallavi 2 times 6 అంటే 6 2s అంతే కదా? Come forward. Okay, we'll do. We will see. 2 times 6. అరే okay. 2 times 6. 2 times 6 అంటే ఏంది? 6 plus 6 2 times అంటే 6 లు 2 times. 6 తీసుకో ఫస్ట్. ఇది 1 time. నెక్స్ట్ 2 times. Now count.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12.
Okay, right. Is equal. Children, how much? 2 times 6?
12.
Yes, you are right. Okay, very well done. Okay, SSC, you come. Next to 3 times 6. 3 times 6. Okay, already done 2 times. 2 times 6 completed. 3 times 6. You do 3 times 6. Children, all of you look at us. Gatiga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Right. Children, 3 times 6 is how much? 18. Yes, you are right, 18. Okay, well done. SSC, clap to SSC. Okay, now let's do 5 times 6. 5 times 6. Who will do? Tejasri? Okay. Here, how many times completed? 1 times 6, 2 times 6, 3 times 6 completed. You have to do 5 times 6. 4 times, 5 times. Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Wow, nice. Right here. Children, how much is 5 times 6?
30.
Wow, nice. Claps to Tejasri. Next. What is next? 2 times 7. 2 times 7. Who will? Karthik, come. Karthik, come, Karthik. 2 times 7. 2 times 7 means 7 plus 7. 2 times 7. First 7 count. 7 count, Jay. Ray, listen. Hey. ఇక్కడ 2 times. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yes, right, 14. Here. Right. Children, how much is 2 times 7? 14. Very good. Claps to Karthik. Next who will do? Come forward. Naveen. 3 times 7. 3 times 7. Okay, do. 2 times completed. Arey Shiva Manohar, you also look at this. Twenty-one. Okay, right. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Right hand. Children, how much is 3 times 7? 21. Yes, you are right. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Manohar, can you do? Chestava nuvu? Enta next how much? 5 times 7. 5 times 7. So 3 times completed. 1, 2, 3, 7 kada? 3 times completed. 5 times next. 1, 2, 3 completed. We do 5 times. You do 5 times. 5 times అంటే ఎక్కడ 3 అయిపోయినాయి కదా. 4th లైన్ 5th లైన్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. చెయ్యి. అక్కడ కాదు నాన్న. ఇది 1 times 7 అయింది కదా. 2 times 7 అయింది కదా. 3 times 7 అయింది కదా. ఇప్పుడు 4th times 7 దీనికి తీసుకోవాలి. 5 times 7 తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి దీన్ని? ఇక్కడి వరకు ఇట్లా చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇగో 1 times 7, 2 times 7, 3 times 7, 4 times 7, 5 times 7. ఇప్పుడు కౌంట్ చేయండి టోటల్. Say loudly. 5 times 7 36 ఆ ఎంత కౌంట్ అగైన్ నాయనా వన్స్ ఓన్లీ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 go 5 times 7 is equal to 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Next 2 times 8. 2 times 8. Who will do? Next Shiva, come. 2 times 8. Come fast. 2 times 8. So 2 times 8 means 8 plus 8. 8 to 2 times. So first 8 count 8. Hey children, don't talk. Count 8. Eight వరకే దీనికేసే రబ్బర్ బ్యాండ్ ఎన్నివి 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ఇది 1 టైం 8 ఇంకొక టైం కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి ఇంకోసారి దీనికి యాడ్ చేయాలి దీనికి యాడ్ చేయి ఇట్లా దీనికి ఇట్లా దీనికి ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి కౌంట్ టోటల్ 16. 2 times 8 is equal to how much? 60. Yes, 60. Now we can go. Next who will do? Come. Hemant. What is next? 3 times 8. 3 times 8. Ray, evarra are? Sandeep. Next you will do. Hey. Say loudly. Uh-huh. 3 times 8, how much? Right. Children, how much is 3 times 8?
24.
24. Yes, yes, you are right. Next, 5 times 8. Who will do? 5 times 8. 5 times 8. So 5 times. Already 3 times over. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. Next 5 times. 4 time adi. 5 times. Arey, who is talking? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Next count. Say loudly. Shiva. Count again. Mali count ye. Twenty-eight 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. How much is 5 times 8? 5 times 8 how much?
40.
5 times 8 is 40. Very good. Go. Next who will do 2 times 9? Here. 2 times 9. Okay. What's your name? Lokesh? Okay. 2 times 9. Arey Murali. Murali, listen. 3 3, 3. 2 times 9. 2 times. Only you have done one time only. 2 times 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay, right. 18. 2 times 9 is equal to, how much is 2 times 9?
18.
Yes, you are right. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Next, 3 times 9. Who will do? Come. 3 times 9. What is your name? Okay, Kirtana, done. Do. Hey, listen.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Yes, right. Children, how much is 3 times 9?
27.
Yes, you are right. Right here. Next, the last one. 5 times 9. Who will do? Pravina. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Praveen.
Pravina. Okay, Pravina, do. One time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So here 5 times. Arey, listen.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, ఇక్కడ వరకే కదా.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 40,
Right. Hey, listen. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 9 is. Okay, children. Class 2, Pravina. Okay, have you understood how to do multiplication with the help of geoboard? అర్థమైంది కదా? ఈజీగా ఉందా? Okay, you can do this way easily multiplication. Okay?
Okay, sir.